ORIENT Flex Group, the one-stop supplier of flexible hose and coupling, has 18 product series and over 50,000 product SKU. ORIENT Flex clamps are indispensable in every field and are known for their unparalleled tightening strength and sealing properties. Single bolt hose clamp. Carbon steel, stainless steel 201, 304 and 316 materials are available to meet the needs of different customers. For heavy-duty applications, where large tightening forces are required, rolled edge to prevent hose damage. Easy installation. A bolt is used for tightening, not a nut, which ensures full travel when using a socket. Solid trunnions with hex head bolt. Superior sealing, tighter seals at lower bolt torques. American type hose clamp. Carbon steel, stainless steel 201, 300 for materials, available in 8mm and 12.7mm bandwidth, to meet the needs of different customers. Generally used in small diameter applications such as air and fuel lines. The perfect clamp for automobiles, plumbing, home and garden. Assists with high-speed assembly on production lines, especially suited to industrial applications. German type hose clamp. Carbon steel, stainless steel 201, 300 for materials, available in 9mm, 12mm bandwidth to meet the needs of different customers. German type hose clamp 9mm, for automotive and general purpose use. Heavy duty, non-perforated band, rolled edge and underside to prevent hose damage. German type hose clamp 12mm, standard DIN 3017 non-perforated. A sympathetic design helps guard against hose impingement. Move low friction worm drive allows for a strong clamping force. Most popular hose clip currently in use worldwide. In addition, we have D-type, spring hose clamp, heavy-duty American type hose clamp, double-wire hose clamp, etc. Our factory has 13 years of production experience, 3 production lines, 1 automated production line, fully equipped, has ISO 9001 quality system and CE certification. More than 35 series of clamps and stamping products. Professional QC system and team can meet different projects' need.